guys. Yeah, so today we're making a BSF love cake. Yes, BSF love cake, and I'm here, and then I have this here. This is an old kitchen cabinet, so I'm going to be making my BSF love cake out of this old kitchen cabinet. So let me give you a quick tour of this cabinet. Yeah. So basically this has been bad for quite a while. I mean, it's been outside for months now because we had to take it out and it wasn't useful anymore. So as you can see, its spout is not very strong, and then it's been outside, and then I was like, oh, what can I use this for? And share with you guys basically, so that you can at least learn from it. So I'm taking advantage of this, and I'm going to be converting it into a BSF love cage. Yeah, so you're going to be seeing how I'm going to be setting a mini BSF love cage. I don't know if I'll be able to make two out of this because I don't want it to be too tall. So I'm probably going to cut it into two, yes, so we can have two mini BSF cage. So this basically is just to demonstrate how to make yours if you have something like this, a frame already. I'm basically not starting from scratch, alright, because it already has a frame. As you can see, it has a frame, right? So this frame is what I'm going to be taking advantage of. So what I'm going to do next now is to break out all this plywood, because I wouldn't be needing it, okay? I wouldn't be needing it, yeah. So let's destroy this now. I have my materials here. Let me give you a quick glance at my materials. So yeah, so here are my materials. This is a mallet. Yes, I'm going to be using this to break up, and that's the plywood. I have my measuring tape here, and I have my saw to cut it. Alright, so let's get right to business. And here is my pen to mark out other materials I'm going to be showing you during the course of this video. So stay tuned and let's watch and learn together. So we are done dividing this into two equal halves. As you can see, this is the first one, yes, standing, and then this is the second one. So a whole lot is going to be done to actually achieve the end result. Okay, so Hopefully you guys are here to see all that. Stay tuned. Yeah, don't mind me, I'm just super excited to have completed this. Yes, so I'm still going to be using a rat proof net, that is the iron mesh net, to further cover this to protect from rats. So guys, this is the finished product, and here is the final position of the 2 mini BSF cage. So if you'd like to see more updates on the whole process, please make sure you're subscribed and turn on your post notification, because I'm going to be carrying you all on this journey together. Thank you once again, and I remain your home girl, Shikemi Olabisi, the farm lady, and I'll see you next week.